Hi, and welcome to another episode of Type with Me. In this episode, we will talk about conditional operators within rxjs. Are you ready? Let's go! Of course, it's very important that you have rxjs installed within your package.json, right? So let's go and try out some conditional operators within rxjs. The first operator I want to talk about is the defaultIfEmpty. So let's see how this works. First of all, we will define const stream equals off, and that's just an empty off, right? And now we can say const example equals stream dot pipe default if empty my stream is empty. And of course, then we can say example dot subscribe console.log, and we just print out what has been broadcasted with the default if empty, right? Great. Now we can very easily build this. Now we execute this. You see my stream is empty because it's really empty. Nothing is being provided here. I'm just curious, if I just emit null, what happens then? Then he will emit null because, yeah, we emit really something. It's not empty, right? If we emit an empty string, what will he do then? And he also gonna emit something because he has something. I think the same will happen with default, with undefined. So when we have undefined, you will broadcast undefined, right? Great. So another parameter, another conditional operator is every. So let's use that. So every and here we will have a value. So now we can check if every value is even. So is every value even, then it will print out true, otherwise it will print out false, right? So let's build this. False. So now when we just have these two values, we can just say 6, right? When we build this, you will see that it's true. Great. Another very powerful operator is the EEEF operator. So when we use here EEF, you'll see that we get an error because we need to have a lambda without a value. So for that, I'm also going to use a merge map operator. It just provides me the value and it will merge an underlying stream. So I'm going to import the merge map. And here I need to remove value. Then I'm going to define two different streams. So when that's right, we go to the even stream. When it's not right, we go to the odd stream. Right. So now let's save this. Let's build this. When we execute this, we see that we have even, even, even. When we do here 1, 2, 3, 6. When we build this, you will see that we have odd, even, even. Great, right? And then another one that's also nice to mention is the following one. It's a sequenceEqual operator. So here we have a sequence 4, 5, and 6, and here we have other streams. One stream is 1, 2, 3. One stream is 4, 5, and 6. Another one is 7, 8, and 9. And here we're going to see if that sequence is equal to the expected sequence. When we build this, you'll see that we have false, because that's correct. The first sequence is not equal to this sequence, but the second sequence is, right? So these are the conditional operators within rxjs. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye.